Well, I don't know much about these, I think this is going to be my first time actually changing. Well, no, I take that back. I did do it on one of my old 420s that I used to have. And I do remember that the gasket, well, not the gasket, but the fuel pump filter was stopped up on my 420, so guess we gonna find out what's all causing a problem right here. I guess let me get some pliers. We need pliers, and this is, I don't remember how this goes off. I think you pinch it and pull it. Alright, be right back. I do know we're gonna have to prime the system once we get done here. This is pretty much off already. I don't know why this one's even. Did they change this already before? Alright, gotta get some gas. What is that? What is that? The inner core? Does this one have that? No? What? Do I need to take this off? Huh. I think that's just a vent line. Yeah, that's the vent line. I traced it. It looks right there. Okay. Guess that's not a big deal. I mean, unless you're going underwater. I don't plan on sinking it, but you never know. I mean, obviously I'll know when I sink it, but I don't ever plan on sinking it, you know what I'm saying? Does anybody plan on, like, they building a bike and they're like, oh yeah, by the way, this one we're sinking? No. But I will say that inside of this is really dirty. I don't know if you can see this. Cleaner. Now this is the one that I remember causing me so much grief on my 420, and I don't remember how I did it, to be honest with you. I'm pretty much one of those people that just kind of wing it. I mean, I kind of get the general gist, and once I get that, it's kind of like, okay, well, I got it now. I think I can handle it. But it looks like it's working. Watch it break it. It's not necessarily doing what I want to do. We're supposed to spin this maybe? Oh, there we go. Now we're cooking. Now we're cooking with some vegetable oil. Alright, oh yeah. There we go. Did it come off all the way? Or just like a halfway off type deal? Alright. There she is. She's off. Alright. Actually, I don't know. Should we put gasoline in that and just kind of clean that up? I did something wrong. But I don't think it's no worse than what it already was on there. This thing was kind of dirty. Take some of that old extra gasolino, clean that off right now. Well, I got a chance. Maybe clean that tip of that one off too. Alrighty. Well, I would think that would be the hard part, but I could be wrong. This. What was I thinking? I will be using not an 8. So it's not an 8. So I'm going to get probably a 7 or something. So it's a 7mm for your, if you decide to do this. 7mm. Moment of truth. Or aggravation. We'll take a look at that one here later. So I don't know if this is a step you want to do or not, but this is what I'm going to do. I don't know if you can see me, but I'm going to put some no-wax, some kind of, it's like some grease. I'll grease this little deal up right here. This old gasket. I don't know if we should be doing this or not, so like I said, warning, not a real mechanic. Let me put that in the video. That way y'all get a double hit of it. I am not a real mechanic. This is a hobby. Alright, let's open this thing up and see what kind of aggravation this thing is. It's plastic. Well, that was plastic too. Alright. I mean, it looks like one. Looks like the same one I bought, so that's always a good sign. I'm gonna do a unwrap. I can't really tell what all y'all can see. I'm trying to get as much of this in there, and I'll try to time lapse as much of this as possible. Kind of show y'all, that way I don't bore y'all. You know what? Let's compare this one to the old one. So they look really similar. I'd say they look Very similar. So, I think we got the right one. Because it would have sucked if I would have. Alright, so we're just going to be careful and not get any of our baby, I love you way every day. Oh God, what a awesome God you. So, this thing right here is spring loaded. So, once you get it in spot, you're gonna wanna get it started. I did not know that. The other one wasn't spring loaded anymore. I don't know if that's a good thing or not. Maybe it really did need a change. So that makes a lot of sense right now. Make sure you don't tighten these things. So we want to torque it evenly. So now that we kind of got it on, let's go ahead and kind of give it a little. And that looks like we got it. Alright, so we got the fuel pump changed out, keys in the ignition. I think the gas is dried up enough to say we can turn it on. So let's turn it on and see what she'll do. Of course, you're gonna have to prime the fuel pump. Okay. Well, I heard it that time. I was kind of getting worried there. Didn't know if I was gonna hear it. This thing got some pump on it now. Might be too much pump. Alright, so I did it 3 times. I heard the pump cut on. So, let's try cranking her. She's in neutral. So let it rip. Let it idle for a second.